IT professionals never existed, never existed, never existed, never existed.
Wake up. Honey, wake up.
Wake up!
Hey, you coming to the meeting?
Yeah, sure. I need internet, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
And also today, we are sadly saying goodbye to one of our best employees, Michael. Unfortunately, Michael has forgotten his password and is no longer able to work. I wish there is something we could do, but as you all know, once you forgot your password, it is gone forever.
I'm gonna miss you, Michael!
Naturally, the absence of a professional in the office will leave a void of knowledge. That's when they come in, the non-helpers.
Gary, do you know where the any key is? No.
Hey Nicole, do you have a sec, please?
Yeah.
How do I get to that googly thing?
Oh, I think you need to use this blue E in the bottom.
And what does that do exactly?
It's a software you use to download browsers. Yeah, it's awesome.
Okay, thanks.
All right.
What are you doing?
I can't see anything. The text is so small.
Alicia, you're so clueless when it comes to computers. There you go.
Technology is moving so fast. I wonder if they have one for iPhones as well.
No, you can't. Yes, I can.
No, you can't.
Yes, I can.
Look. This is how you upload a document to the cloud.